Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can extract tags from YouTube video. So extracting tags from YouTube video means it's like the hashtag. It will give you the idea on how you can use or upload the video on YouTube, and it will help you to reach out to the audience. So now to extract tags, what you can do is go ahead and open up YouTube application. So for example, I want to extract tags from this video. So what I can do is tap on that three dots, and what I can do is tap on share and copy the link. Now go back to your home screen, and here you can use Safari or any web browser. Here on the search box, you can just go ahead and search for extract tags from YouTube videos. Now here it will show you different online websites. Go ahead and select the first option, which is tuberanker.com. Here in the empty area, go ahead and paste the link that you have copied and select extract tags, and here in the result it will show you all the extracted tags. So here you can use this type of tags on your own video while uploading the YouTube videos, and it will help you perform the tags to target the particular niche audience. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.